Model 2008 Nissan PRIMASTAR VIVARO TRAFIC short wheelbase, diesel 2.0 dCi 90 PS body, red, panel van mileage, 100547 MOT, 8 April 2024 engine, 1995 CCM 9R90 bhp transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine, will need injector number 1 replacing. Still drives fine. Just has a slight misfire, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors, EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear cap retail, £3,095.